Well, we can see that all the Congress's senior leaders have just come here after the meeting, and with them is Mr. Harish Rawat himself. Sir, your 3 tweets created a huge hurricane right from Dehradun till Delhi. Can you throw some light? What exactly was that?
In fact, these tweets were very simple. As a campaign committee chairman, the cooperation which was needed was not coming through from all concerned. And I was feeling that my hand being tied, legs are also being tied, because when you are asked to swim such a violent water where the governing party which is opposing us in Uttarakhand had let loose the crocodiles in that election water, election sea, ocean. So how I can cross when there is no cooperation from others? So that's why I tweeted. Yeah, I need cooperation, and party leadership have appreciated my concern. They called a meeting, and we took a decision. It was a very simple thing. And my tweet was also very simple. It has nothing to do with any decision or anything which people bring out their inference. Nothing like that. My tweet was very simple. I need cooperation and I need full support from each and everybody. And I should be recognized as a chairman leading the campaign. The Rahul Gandhi ji says, okay, fine, this is nice. Everybody says, okay, we'll extend all full cooperation. Now the things are over.
So, what are the big takeaways? Because you have just met Mr. Rahul Gandhi at his residence along with all the leaders. Some of them are sitting with you also in the car. What all went, what all transpired there? Some big takeaways from that meeting?
No, we discussed everything, all pros and cons, everything. Now, we took several decisions, and I think some decision will follow in another 2-3 days. But the major decision which was required to be taken, that was the position of what is the position of the campaign committee. Now the party has made it clear that it is the campaign committee chairman who will lead the campaign.
So what will be the campaign? We are hearing that you have decided for a very different kind of a campaign this time. We have seen you at Kedarnath Dham. We have also seen you crossing the river. So how different this time the campaign will be?
Our campaign is very simple. Be with the people and be among the masses, and rest masses will do their share. And people have decided for a change. We have just to be with them.
Also, it was being said कि बड़े नाराज से हरीश रावत जी नजर आते हैं. The reports which are coming from Dehradun was this that if their demands are not met, if the concerns that you had raised, issues that you had raised are not met, you will take sannyas. Sir, sannyas इतना जल्दी?
मैंने एक बात नहीं, संन्यास तो मैं एक बात है. If I could not deliver, if I am failing whatever obligation you have put on my shoulder, if I am not fulfilling my duty, then what is the harm, fun being holding the position? मैंने कहा भैया बाबा मैं संन्यास लेकर के घर बैठ जाऊंगा चुपचाप, अपना क्या करूंगा. मैं रहना तो कांग्रेसी में है, और मैंने ये भी क्लियर कर दिया था कि मरते दम तक भी कांग्रेसी में लिपट के जाएंगे. तो जब कहीं और जाना ही नहीं है तो संन्यास के बाद क्या करेंगे. मैं भी अपना भजन कीर्तन करता.
तो संन्यास लेके भजन कीर्तन करते इलेक्शन के टाइम पे, वो भी
और क्या करते यदि सब तरफ से कॉपरेशन नहीं मिले. अब नाउ एवरीबडी हैज प्रॉमिस बिफोर द राहुल गांधी जी दैट विल एक्सटेंड ऑल पॉसिबल cooperation. Then things are over. Ab now failures, if there is a failure, it will be mine. If there is success, the credit will go to all my colleagues.
So basically you're saying that you would have been doing bhajan kirtan. So is there a new tune you will hum now, because you've just come out after the meeting with Rahul Gandhi? So नया कोई राग या भजन आप गाएंगे?
मैं जब देहरादून से आया था तो some people asked me क्या है करके. मैंने कहा कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, कांग्रेस की गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है उत्तराखंड के वास्ते, उत्तराखंड पर लुटाए जाए.
मेरा आखिरी सवाल, last question from you is this, that there is a lot of concern being raised as far as the third wave of COVID is concerned. Many people are saying that the campaign should be postponed. The Allahabad High Court has said that as far as the Election Commission and the Prime Minister should take note of the amount of people who are coming in the rallies. Your rallies are also drawing a huge amount of number of people. What's your take on it?
Caution should be taken. It is the government's duty. Whatever instruction will be given by the government or a protocol will be laid down, we'll follow that, we'll cooperate with the government. But if they are looking for some pretext to avoid the unavoidable defeat, so that will not be acceptable.
So you are saying
because some warning bells are ringing. ये जो बिल पास हुआ है, मैं इस बिल के बाद आई एम एप्रीहेंसिव. ये हो सकता है और जो हाई कोर्ट में कमेंट आया है उसके बाद मेरा डर और गहरा हो गया है. कहीं ऐसा न हो मिडिल पाथ के रूप में ऑनलाइन वोटिंग की बात कही जाए एंड एवरीबडी नोज दैट दे आर मास्टर इन मैनिपुलेटिंग.
You are leveling very serious allegations. You are saying that in this COVID thing, there can be some conspiracy. This is what you are alleging.
There can be a conspiracy is possible to postpone the inevitable defeat of the BJP in coming election. In all the 5 states, I think in majority of the state, BJP is bound to lose.
Well, that was Mr. Harish Rawat speaking to us with journalist Sachin. This is Priya Bhardwaj for India Today in Delhi.